Good evening to all of you. You all are welcome to Science Vision. We are here again with a new activity which is magic of pressure difference. So for this activity we require a syringe and some water balloons. So take a water balloon and blow some air into it. So blow like it and just release some amount of air slightly. We'll require this type of balloon, this size of balloon basically. And when you get that, then insert a knot, tie a knot so you get this type of balloon. And then take a piston out of the barrel of the take this balloon and put it into the barrel of the syringe, and then put the piston back into the barrel and now you can see the size of the balloon is very small. You can see it is very small size balloon. And then put your finger on the end of the syringe so that no air can come into the barrel. So now I will take back the piston and you will see what happen. And you can see size of the balloon get increased. And you can see again the size of the balloon get increased in the barrel. Now see another thing. If at the starting I make the piston here and then after putting the finger on the end I compress it, and you can see the size of the balloon become totally zero. So you can see if I stretch it, size become larger, and if I compress it, size become smaller. So but there is a note on the balloon. So original size is this and there is a note on the balloon. So why this happen? So you can understand this by simple explanation, because in this position the amount of air inside the gas is inside the barrel is only this amount of air, and there is some amount of air in the balloon also. So the air inside the balloon exert pressure outside, and the outside air the air present outside the balloon exert pressure on the balloon, and both the pressures are equal in a magnitude. So the size of balloon remains in this size. But after taking back the piston, the volume get increased in the barrel, but the amount of gas does not change. So due to this, pressure outside the balloon of the gas decreases and pressure inside the balloon due to the gas increases. So due to that increase in pressure or pressure difference around the balloon increases its size, basically it expanded. And in the opposite case, this much amount of air is inside the barrel and there is a pressure of that gas which is equal to the pressure of the gas inside the balloon. So when I compress it, so what I am doing, I decreases the volume, but the amount of gas is not changing, so pressure inside the barrel get increased, and inside the balloon it decrease. So there is a pressure difference which make the balloon to squeeze. So we can understand if volume get decreased, pressure increased, and if volume increased, then pressure outside the balloon decreased. So by this simple activity we can understand the term pressure difference. So learn more, do this activity at your home. Thanks for watching.